Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It's Mr. Melville here. Hope you guys are doing well. I do acknowledge that you guys were supposed to be on spring break, and I'm sorry that you guys aren't. I really am. I do think it's unfair. So in light of that, we're going to try to keep it quick this week. Really only have like one real math assignment due tomorrow, and then we'll have something else later in the week, but it'll be much more chill. So let's just tackle this, make sure you're doing this self-care stuff, and then have a good rest of your day. So here we go. The goal is to kind of learn another type of percent question. It deals with markups, and then kind of review some other percent questions we've done. So markups and review. So let's see, scenario 1, how to make some extra cash. Over the summer, you decide to make some extra cash in your free time. Picture this happening. Your plan is to buy bottles of soda at Stewart's and then sell them to family and friends. But how are you going to make the money, you ask? You're going to sell the bottles of soda at a greater price than what you bought them for. Pretend that each bottle of soda at Stewart's costs $2. If you sell a bottle, so question 1. If you sell a bottle to a friend for $2.50, will you end up making money or losing money? Well, the bottles of soda at Stewart's, they cost you $2, so you're going to have to pay $2 to get a soda. But then if you sell that soda for $2.50, well, this is how much you earn. This is the green. That's the green. It's positive. So you're gonna make money because you're selling it for more than you bought it for. All right. How much money would you make if you sold a bottle for $2.50? Pause the video. Think about that one. You should make 50 cents, which might not seem like a lot, but if you did it a lot of times, you're gonna make a lot of money. So let's see here in question 3, if you bought 10 sodas for $2 each and you end up selling all of them for $2.50 each, how much money did you make? Well, the 10 sodas, and they cost you $2, so you'd have to pay $20. This would be like how much you lose. And then if you sell them for $2.50, well, that's $2.50 for each soda, so times 10. That'll be 25. That's how much you gain. So then it'll be 25 minus 20, so you get $5. Literally $5 free just for selling those sodas. Kind of cool. And what this is called here is a markup. You're taking $2 and you're marking up 50 cents. It's a markup of 50 cents. Because you want to make money, so you're going to mark up the price. You're not going to sell for $2. That'd be doing your friends a favor. They wouldn't have to go to Stewart's, but you're not making any money. You'd have to mark up the price. So then we ask, what is the percent markup that you were selling the bottles for? The percent markup. That's different than the fact that we marked it up 50 cents, because we want to find what percent of $2, the original, are we increasing on. So this is really just a percent increase question. And what that equals is the new minus the original, all divided by the original. Percent decrease and increase are always divided by the original. So the new amount is $2.50 minus 2 over 2. So that's 50 cents over 2, which is 0.25. So it's a 25% markup. There we go. That is our final answer. All right. Let's look at scenario 2. Let's be real. All right. What are we going to be real about? Let's see. Let's be real. Girl Scouts have the best cookies. But just because a Girl Scout sells you a box of Thin Mint cookies doesn't mean the Girl Scout made them. Actually, Girl Scouts pay $2.50 for a box of Thin Mints and then mark up the selling price by 80% of what it costs them. They do this to make money. How much do Girl Scouts sell the cookies for? All right, so we know that they pay $2.50 for a box, but that's not going to make them profit unless they mark it up. How much are they marking it up? 80% of what it costs them. So if we find out 80% of what it costs them, and then add that on to what it is originally, that's how much they're going to be selling them for. So 80%, so 0.8 times 250. Maybe you did 1.8, that'll work too. And that is going to give you $2. And then we're going to mark it up, so we're going to mark it up $2. So it'll be $2.50 plus 2, which is $4.50. The markup is 80%, so you're going to take 80% of $2.50. You get 2, so it's going to go up by $2 from what it costs. So $2.50 plus 2 is $4.50, and that is our final answer. They sell them for $4.50. Side question challenge: how much would it be for? How much would they profit on each box? That'd be $2, not $4.50. All right, scenario 3. I sold the car. Shouldn't I get some of the money? Yeah, that's called commission. Let's look at this question here. A car salesman earns 5% commission on the pre-tax cost of every car he sells. So that means the amount before the tax is applied. If a car salesman sells a car worth $8,500 before tax, how much will he earn in commission? So 5% commission means he's going to get 5% of the pre-tax cost. So this is the pre-tax cost before tax, $8,500 what the car is worth. So you take 5% of that, and that's what he's going to get. So we'll do 8,500 times 5%, which is 0.05, and that is going to give you $425. So he'll make $425 just for kind of doing his job, selling a car. It's not a bad day. All right, scenario 4. I am Beyonce always. It's from The Office. I don't know. You guys might be too young for that, but it's funny. I'm Beyonce always. So what about Beyonce here? So Beyonce buys a new gold microphone for $300. Even though she is Beyonce, she still pays a 10% tax on the cost. But after she gets taxed, she uses a coupon, which takes 10% off the final price. In the end, what does Beyonce ultimately have to pay for the microphone? Now, you might be thinking, oh, I can just cancel out these 10%. You can't, because you can't combine percents. So let's just do this one step at a time. So the microphone costs $300. If there's a 10% tax on that, you do 300 times 0.1, which is 30. So that'll be $330 from 300 plus 30. So that's how much it's going to cost in tax. That's the final tax amount. But then we're going to take 10% off of that. So it'll be 330 times 0.10, and that's 33. So we'll do 330 minus 33, because it's a discount, and that'll give us 297. That's our final answer. Notice it didn't come out to 300. Can't combine percents. Alright, that's all I got for today. You can rewind the video if you want to see anything else again. Good luck on that assignment, and please reach out if you need anything. Have a great, great, great day. Bye-bye.